So when you click on the link for the newspaper template, it'll ask you to make a copy so that way you have your own copy just like we do in our assignments, so that way you can edit the Google app and it will take you to the Google Doc so you can start editing the format. So it already has everything set up for you. So you just need to make the edits. And the first edit you're going to make is up here where our title is. We're going to match it to the title of the project, which is Publish a Newspaper. Just like that. And then you're filling in exactly like it says. So where it says book title here, you're going to turn that into the thing about Georgie. Where it says type your name here, you're obviously going to type your first and last name there along with your class number as always. Where it says type date here, you're going to type the date, and then the 3 columns that you see for the newspaper template, those are what you're filling in for whichever you think the 3 most important parts of the book were. So whichever 3 events you thought were the most important. So you can make up whatever headline you want for that section of your newspaper. You can make it catchy, whatever it goes along with for whatever scene you're writing about. Obviously, when it says your name, that's your name. So filling up all of the space so that way it goes all the way up to the pictures. So after you are completely done filling in the writing space, not leaving any blanks, then you may move on to changing the pictures. So just like it says, you can click on the image to change it. And then for images, you can just use our insert image tool. If you happen to have one on your computer, you can do upload for computer, but we're just gonna really do a search. And when you do a search within Google Docs, all of these images are deemed acceptable to use, so you don't have to worry about finding something to cite because all of these are okay to use. And you can just search for something that relates to whichever event you're talking about. If it was about Abraham Lincoln, you can search for that. If it's about how you use the coffee cans, you can put that. Whatever image will go along with your picture. So I'm just going to type in something else so you can see how to insert it. So you just click it, hit insert, and it will change the image to the image that you want. And where it says type caption here, that's where you would type what's happening in the picture, just like you would see in an actual newspaper.